Hello, my name is Jay Colavita. I am the president and founder of Vertosoft. I would like to share with you some knowledge that I hope will help provide a better understanding of the U.S. federal government market and why it is so unique compared to the U.S. commercial market through a series of short videos. To start, the U.S. federal government's fiscal year runs from October 1st through September 30th and has an estimated IT budget of close to $90 billion. A large portion of the budget is spent in the last 2 months of the year. It is important to also note that 80% of the IT spend is for operations and maintenance, or O&M, leaving only 20% for capital purchases. For the government to purchase perpetual software licenses, they typically require capital funds. However, they can use O&M money to purchase software as a service, or subscription-based software, or even cloud software. Based upon this, knowing the color of money that the government has available for an acquisition is very useful. To break down the budget a little further, the civilian agencies spend roughly $52 billion on information technology, whereas the Department of Defense spends around $38 billion. Also, only 27 out of the 82 agencies request and receive a distinct IT budget from Congress. The details of each agency's IT investments are published to Exhibit 53s each year and can be found in the Government IT Dashboard at www.itdashboard.gov. Here is a brief snapshot of both the civilian and DoD IT budgets by agency and how they have changed over the last 3 years. It is really hard to believe that the U.S. federal IT budget is larger than the top 5 Fortune 500 companies combined. The federal government is the Fortune 1 by a large margin when it comes to IT spend. This is why emerging technology companies just can't ignore the federal market, even if it appears to be so much more difficult to break into. By engaging with a company like ours, we can help you break down those barriers to entry and help you grow your government business.